Hi, Blair Coventry, Sales Director, Australia New Zealand, Wilkhahn Asia Pacific. So this year marks 25 years of manufacturing in Australia with Wilkhahn Asia Pacific. Having a production facility here in Sydney means that we can produce new product as well as refurbish old product for reuse. And that's really important these days. It's great that we have three types of projects. New product supply going into projects, refurbished product either by the existing client or for a new client, or a combination of new and refurbished product being utilised for spaces throughout Australia and New Zealand.
Hi, I'm Adrian Nicolini, Director at Wilkhahn Asia Pacific. The reason the factory for Wilkhahn was established in Australia primarily was to reduce lead time for our customers. Additionally, the local production enables us to be able to manufacture product to customer specifications. So whether that is special veneers, particular fabrics, or coatings for chairs and tables.
One of the most recognised logos in Australia is the Australian kangaroo, that Australian-made symbol that validates that the products that hold that logo have been assessed and truly are manufactured here in Australia.
The Australian-made specification is something that I'm immensely proud of. Even though we are a German company, family-owned, family-run, the fact that we have been manufacturing in Australia for 25 years, it's an incredible privilege, especially the ongoing passion that many of our production employees have, the fact that they can craft beautifully designed Wilkhahn product in Germany, but manufactured in Australia. The Australian factory is crucial in closing the loop on circularity. First and foremost, we're very fortunate that it's really part of our DNA that our product is designed for disassembly, exceptional quality, and very durable, built to last. So the fact that we have the production here in Australia allows us to be able to facilitate the disassembly of the product, refurbishment of the product, also reducing our carbon footprint, both in our local production presence and, most important at all, being able to divert the product away from landfill and create a second, third, fourth or even longer life for the product.